do a flight announcement. Yeah. Lifewood Airlines. Thanks for choosing Lifewood Airlines. Welcome aboard 27B. Look for your nearest emergency exit. It can be behind you. Please fasten your seatbelt while the plane is flying so that it is more safe. Thanks, Captain out. Plane's destination set down. Captain out. We've now arrived at Delhi. Please get your belongings now. Stand and go near the exits. Yeah, the plane's landed, and once the plane stops feeling this a bit noise, that means you're arrived.